This baby is suctioned in there. The trail usually comes here, up over, or you can go up that rock face over there, which I ain't good enough to do. I've come around and down it, but I ain't got the skill to go up. Man, look at that tree there. I just now noticed that. Snapped off right there. Huh. Anyway, it's like suctioned in here. This is why I just took a piece of tie down. Oh my God, is that suctioned in there? Jesus. That or with the whole ground. I hope I don't have a root twisted up in my tire. Come on. I might be using that log to pry it out. It's going to be nice to have friends to ride with instead of being a loser with no one to ride with. Son of a gun. That baby in there. There we go. Dang. A night after work. Phew. I would have thought my front tire would have sank in that. Then this is all mushed the whole way around. I've rode it around and up over there before, but I might just get stuck the whole way. Man, I cannot budge it without laying it down. And even then, it's there we go. Look at all that mud. Now my boots are stuck. Holy bejesus. There goes the wet feet. Figures on the neutral. Right. Slip right back down in there. Yep. Shit. Front end's down, see if I can. The old IRC 33 is packed full of mud. Yeah, boy.